in 15 question we function is continuous, so we have to find the constant value. ये 22/8/2020 का असाइनमेंट है और इसका आगे हम कंटिन्यू बता रहे हैं. fx is equal to under root 2 cos x minus 1 upon cot x minus 1. This x not equal to pi by 4. This k. So function is continuous at x equal to pi by 4. F pi by 4 is equal to limit value, and this k is equal to limit x tends to pi by 4. The functional value we will take that one here. Now since the limit is not 0, so we will change the limit. Let x equal to pi by 4 plus h. This is the 11th class technique of limits. As x tends to pi by 4, h tends to 0. Pi by 4 can say h tends to 0. Limit k is equal to limit h tends to 0 under root this we open this formula by cos a plus b and cot a plus b. Then we solve this one changing in sin and cos, so we'll get like this sin, and this is equal to minus sin h can be written as 2 sin h by 2 cos h by 2, 1 minus cos h 2 sin square h by 2 divided by cos h minus this cancel 2 sin h by 2 sin h. Again we apply the formula, we get k is equal to limit h tends to 0 sin h by 2 cos h by 2 plus sin h by 2 cos. This cancel, and after cancel this we put the value of limit, so h is equal to 0, so this we get k equal to half. Now next 15i, fx is equal to 2 की power x plus 2 minus 16 this upon. Now function is continuous at x equal to 2, so f2 is equal to limit value this. Now this can be written as breakup 2 की power x into 2 की power 2 minus 16 4 raised to power x minus 16 4 2 की power 2 4 common 2 की power x minus 4 this 2 की power 2 का whole power x, and solving this adding and subtracting formula, and this becomes this cancel 4 upon and putting x equal to 2. So we get, after cancelling we put the limit, remember, so this you get half, so k equal to half. Next question 15j. Now this is continuous, so it is continuous at x equal to 0 also. Limit x tends to 0 fx is equal to f0, that equal to limit x tends to 0 cos this. Now this is root form, so we will rationalize 1 plus cos x under root cos 2x, 1 plus cos x under root cos 2x. Now a square minus b square formula, and then cos 2x formula 1 minus 2 sin square, open the bracket, solving this. Now 1 minus cos square x sin square x plus 2 sin square x cos square x. Now sin square x common, and this we will get, this is 1 by formula, and substitute the limit here, we will get 3 by 2, k is equal to 3 by 2. Next question 15k, that equal to fx is equal to a sin pi by 2 x plus 1 x lesser than equal to 0 tan x minus sin x upon x square this. Since fx is continuous at x equal to 0, this is equal to this. Now f0 we will calculate putting x equal to 0 in this one. A sin pi by 2 is 0 plus 1. Limit x tends to 0 tan x minus this. We change in the form of sin x by cos x, and that's taking sin x common, cos x in denominator. This will be now this is trigonometric formula 2 sin square x by 2 upon x square divided by 4 multiplied by 4 cancel, and this a value becomes half. Now this is the complete solution of practice test. First